So that is the Huawei MatePad Mini, the mini version. Wow, my first impression, of course, it's thin, super thin. It's like a 5.1 millimeter or something. Really thin. Also lightweight, super lightweight. Just hold it. And then you can basically hold it with one hand, although it's not that comfortable, that you can hold it with one hand. All right, and let me just walk you through with the design. So on top we have the speaker, also the power key. Here the volume rocker. Down a little bit we have the Type-C and the speaker as well. Back camera we have the 50 megapixel main plus 8 megapixel telephoto lens. The Huawei logo here. Wow, super lightweight, but I don't know, it's like feels a little bit overheating. The back supports 4K 30. That is a beautiful girl. Okay, something like that. That's the footage if you are wondering. Yeah, very shaky. As you can see, very shaky, unstable. When I press it, on the tip part, I press it. We can see there are some features here. Like this is for quick notes or something. Okay, quick notes. Like you can do whatever you want. I guess my kids is gonna love it. Yeah. All right, and then okay, let me just try. Just press once, okay? And you can also do some AI thing. Okay, with it. Wow. Okay, and then you can ask AI assistant, search a picture about it, and that's it. Okay, and yeah. It's very easy to fall. Oh yeah. Oh, I put it in the wrong place. My bad. Okay, cool. Not bad. Starting from 500 US dollars. So I don't know. It's like I want to like it, but what I'm gonna do with it, I don't know. And here we go. The black version. The black one. Lots of fingerprints here. This is too small. One of the reasons you can just steal it.